Proper handling and regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your device and ensure optimal performance. Always use both hands when picking up your laptop to avoid accidental drops. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of your laptop, as this can damage the screen and internal components. When transporting your laptop, use a padded laptop bag or sleeve to protect it from bumps and shocks. Regularly cleaning the exterior of your laptop is essential for both hygiene and functionality. Dust, fingerprints, and grime can accumulate on the surface, affecting the laptop's appearance and potentially blocking ventilation ports. Use a microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaning solution. Don't forget the keyboard and screen. Keyboards can trap dirt and debris between the keys, which can lead to malfunctioning keys over time. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dirt from between the keys. For the screen, use a microfiber cloth and a screen-safe cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals, as they can damage the screen's coating. Over time, dust can accumulate inside your laptop, causing overheating and performance issues. Carefully open your laptop, following the manufacturer's instructions. Use compressed air to blow out the dust from the internal components, including the fans, heat sinks, and other parts. Be gentle to avoid damaging any delicate components. Proper battery care is crucial for maintaining your laptop's performance. Avoid letting your laptop's battery drain completely before recharging. Instead, try to keep the battery level between 20% and 80% for optimal health. If you plan to store your laptop for an extended period, charge the battery to about 50% before turning it off. This helps preserve the battery's lifespan. Maintaining your laptop's software is just as important as hardware care. Regularly update your operating system and software to ensure you have the latest security patches and performance improvements. Consider resetting your operating system periodically to remove unnecessary files and software that may have accumulated over time. This can help improve your laptop's speed and responsiveness. To prevent overheating, use a cooling pad or elevate your laptop to improve airflow. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces like beds or couches, as they can block ventilation and cause overheating. Keep your laptop in a cool, well-ventilated area to ensure it runs efficiently. Here are some essential do's and don'ts for laptop care. Clean your laptop regularly, both inside and out. Use a padded bag or sleeve when transporting your laptop. Update your operating system and software regularly. Use harsh chemicals on your laptop's screen or exterior. Don't let your laptop's battery drain completely before recharging. Don't use your laptop on soft surfaces that can block ventilation. By following these simple tips, you can keep your laptop in top condition and enjoy optimal performance for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy computing!